Hi guys, I am Prasad Mavarkar. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel Knowledge Adda. Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a very important topic in reasoning, that is series completion topic, and later on we'll solve few examples on series completion. Uh, Basically, series completion topic has problems, three types of problems. They are, let me show you here, series completion. On series completion topic, we will get three types of problems in most of the competitive exams. One, number series problem, number series problems, alphabetical problems, and continuous series problem. It is, let me show you here, number series, like numbers should be like this: 4, 5, question mark, and 41, something like this. And we'll have to uh, fill this question mark with the appropriate number in the series. Then alphabetical, like A, C, E, question mark, F, something like this. We have to fill this with the appropriate alphabet based on the series. And continuous series will be something like this: A, B, C, A, D, something like this. These type of problems will be appearing in the exams. Today we will discuss few problems. We'll try to solve few problems on number series. Okay, let me start with the number series problems. Let us take first problem here. Let me write the problem here. Series here: 1, 6, 15, question mark, 45, 66, 91. Let me write the options: 25, B 26, C 27, D 28. Let us try to analyze this series. See, in number series, first we have to observe the given series for the differences. When we have to observe the differences, if the difference between the consecutive numbers is very small, then we have to try to subtract each number, the adjacent number, and see the difference. If the difference between the consecutive numbers is more, then we will have to apply a product rule. That is, we have to see if there is any product sequence is following. Here the difference is small, it is 1, the difference between these two numbers is 5, the difference between these two numbers is 9. So we'll have to see the difference. See, what we are having is, let us take the first number. Let us take the difference here. 1 plus 5 is 6. Next, 6 plus 9 is 15. So there is increment of 4 here. Let us add a number which is incremented 4 here. 9 plus 4 is 13. We will get 28. So we expect 28 at this question mark. Now, how to confirm that 28 is correct? So let us add 28 and incremented 13, that is 17. So we should get 45. If we get 45, then series is proper. So 8 plus 7 is 15, 15, 2, 2, 4, 45. So the right option is, the sequence is 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. So right answer is 28. This is the correct answer for the sequence. So after 15, we will have to fill up 28. This is the logic here. Next question, we will look into the next question here. Second question, let me write the sequence here: 2, 5, 9, 19, 37, and question mark. So we have to observe this series and write the next number here. Difference between these two is, let us try to observe the relation between these two or these two. So how from 2 we are having 5. Let us see 2 into 2. Oh, before that let me write the options here. Option number 73, B is option B is 75, option C 76, option D 78. Okay, so let me erase this. Let us observe how do we get from 2, how do we get 5? 2 into 2 plus 1, right? We got 5. And how do we get 9 from 5? 5 into 2 minus 1. So we got 9. 5 into 2, 10 minus 1 is 9. How do we get 19 from 9? 9 into 2, 18 plus 1. We got 19. So hope we are having, we are getting some idea here. Plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. Next should be minus 1. That is 19 into 2 is 38 minus 1 is 37. That is correct. So we can easily guess the next number is 37 into 2 plus 1, because plus minus plus minus plus. That is 37 into 2 is how much? 37 into 2 is 74. 74 plus 1, 75. 75 should be the right answer. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, let us move to the next question. Question number 3. 4, 8, 28, 80, 244. Next question mark. Let me write the options here. Options are 278, B, 428, C, 628, D, 728. So now you see the differences here. 28 to 80, 80 to 244. There must be some multiplication or some product. How do we get 4 here? How do we get 4? Let us, from 4 we are coming into 8 and again 28. Just remember, if you get something around 28 in any sequence, if you get 28 and 80s, so it should be something like cube of 3 plus 1, cube of 3 minus 1, something like this. 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 5 minus 1. See here 243, 3 to the power 5, something like this. Can we try to write the sequence here? We have to observe it is 3 to the power 1 plus 1 is 4. 3 to the power 2, 9 minus 1 is 8. 3 to the power 3 is 27 plus 1 is 28. So again plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Next should be minus 1. That is 3 to the power 4 minus 1. That is 3 to the power 4 is 81. 81 minus 1 is 80. Next is 3 to the power 5 is plus 1, because plus minus plus 1. What is 3 to the power 5? 3 to the power 5 is 243 plus 1 is 244. So next number is 3 to the power 6 minus 1. What is 3 to the power 6? That is 729 minus 1 is 728 is the right answer. So option D is the correct answer. So let us move on to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, let me write the sequence here. 1000, 10,000, 11,000, 9,900, 10,890, 9,801, and next is question mark. Let me write the options here. Option A is 10 to 41. Option B 10,423. Option C 10,781. Option D 10,929. Okay, so now we have to observe here it is 10,000. Next term is 11,000. So how much it is incremented? 1000 is incremented. So what is the relation? How much is incremented? Let us try to write here. 10,000 plus 1000 means 10% of this. 10% of 10,000. That is 1000 is 11,000. We got the next sequence. See here. Next, how do we get this? 11,000. From 11,000 we are getting 9,900. That means we are subtracting 1100. 1100 will be 10% of 11,000. That is, next term how do we get? 11,000 plus minus, it is not plus, minus 10% of 11,000. That is 10% of 11,000 is 1100. 11,000 minus 1100 is 9,900. Are you getting this? Next, 9,900, we are getting 9 added here. So can we try to see here? It is plus, here it is minus. Again we'll try to do plus 10% of 9,900. What is 10% of 9,900? 990. 9,900 plus 990 will be 10,890. Okay, so plus minus plus, next will be minus 10,890 minus 10% of 10,890 will be 9,801. Here plus minus plus minus, next will be plus 9,801 plus 10% of 9,801 will be 10% of 9,801 will be 980. 9,801 plus 980 will be, let us, 9,801 plus 980 will be 1,817 and 10. 10,781. So option C is the right answer for this. Okay, so we'll move on to next question. Question number 5. 0, 6, 24, 60, 120, 2, 110 and question mark. So this is a given sequence. Let me read the options here. Option A is 240. Option B is 290. Option C is 336. Option D is 504. So let us observe here again. See, from 0 we are getting 6. From 6 we are into 24. 24 into 60. Let us try to see. Can we write it like this? Can we write 0 as 0 is equal to 1 cube minus 1? We got 0. Next, how do you get 6? 6 is 2 cube minus 2. 2 to the power 3 is 8 minus 2 is 6. We will verify this and directly move on here. 24 should be 3 cube minus 3. 27 minus 3 is 24. So this is 4 cube minus 4, 5 cube minus 5, 6 cube minus 6. See, 3 cube minus 3, 4 cube minus 4, 5 cube minus 5, 6 cube minus 6. Next should be, this should be 7 cube minus 7. What is 7 cube? That is 343 minus 7 is 336 is the answer. Option number C is the right answer. Let us move on to, see, we have to observe and we should keep in mind the squares of numbers, cubes of numbers and nearby numbers. See, this is nearby 3 cube, this is nearby 4 cube, this is nearby 5 cube, 6 cube, 216 minus 6, right? So 6. Question number 6. Let me read the sequence here. 1, 4, 27, 16 question mark, 36, 343. Okay, let me write the options here. 25 B, 87 C, 120 D, 125. So let us try to observe this. What is this? 1 to the power cube. Next, 2 to the power square, 3 to the power cube, 4 to the power square, 5 to the power should be cube, because see, for odd numbers it is cube, odd numbers it is cube, even number square, odd number cube, even number square, odd number is cube. Again, 6 square is 36, right? 7 cube is 343. So 5 to the power cube, that is, what is 5 cube? 5 cube is 125. 5 cube is 125. 125 should be the correct answer. Option number D is the correct answer. Let us move on to next question. Question number 7. 4, 6, 12, 14, 28, 30, question mark. Let us write the option. Option 32. Option B is 60. Option C is 62. Option D 64. Let us understand here. This sequence 4, 6, 12, 14, again directly jumping into 28, 30. So can we try to have two sequences like this? Observe it like this. This sequence has two subsequences, 4, 12, 28 and the question mark. The other sequence is 6, 14, 30, the question mark. There is no question mark here. So how do we get from 4? We get from 4, how do we get 12, and from 12 how do you get 28? It is C. What is, how much is added here? 8 is added. How much is added here? 16 is added. So how much should be added? We guess 8 is added, 16 is added, then 32 should be added. 8, 16, 32. So 28 plus 32 will be 2 plus 8 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. 5, 6, it should be 60. 60 is the correct answer for this question. So option number B is the correct answer. Next question, we will move on to question number 8. Question number 8, let me write here 1, 3, 3, 6, 7, 9, question mark, 12, 21. Let me read the options. A, B, 11, C, 12, D, 13. Okay. So again, we'll try to take two subset sequences here. Something like this. 1, 3, 7, question mark. 1, 3, 7, question mark. How much is added here? Plus 2, plus 4, and next should be plus 6. Simple analysis. 2, 4, 6. How much is that? 7 plus 6 is 13. Okay. Next, if I write 13 here, again to verify that we have 21 here, right? So plus 8. 13 plus 8 is 21. So 21, right? So 13 is the right answer for this question. We'll move on to next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 is, let me read the question here. Which fraction comes next in the sequence. One by two, 3 by 4, 5 by 8, 7 by 16, and options are A, 9 by 32. This is a very simple question. Options are, let me write it again, 9 by 32, B, 10 by 17, C, 11 by 34, D, 12 by 35. Okay. Now it is very simple. See, let us try to observe the numerator. 1, 3, 5, 7. Next should be 9. 2, 4, 8, 16. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16 into 2 is 32. So 9 by 13 should be the answer. Option number A is the correct answer. Thanks for watching my video. For more updates, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.